I don't owe $1,500, delete this account. Okay, so pausing right there, you do not want to use a balance reason unless it is factual, okay? So if you actually owe $1,500, don't use this, all right? So moving on, round 2. How did you verify this account is accurate when I told you that I don't owe $1,500? Where's my signed contract pursuant to section 609? Because you don't have it, you need to delete this. All right, so regarding section 609, it literally states that they're required to actually provide the application or paperwork that was filled out when this account was opened, okay? So the key word here is application, not contract. There's no contract when, you go and, go to CapitalOne.com and apply for an account, okay? You're just checking some boxes, putting some personal information there and agreeing to their terms and conditions, okay? So this is not the way to dispute this. Section 609 has nothing to do with charge-offs or credit cards or loans or anything, okay? The only way that you would want to use this is if you have an unverified account such as medical or some other type of collection, okay? So don't use it on charge-offs. All right, so round 3, you need to remove this because the open date is shown with 3 different dates on my credit report, and this is an inaccuracy, and the FCRA requires my account to be inaccurate. Dude, nobody cares about the open dates on the account, okay? It's not the date of last activity. It's not the date last reported. It's not the date of last payment, and it has no bearing on the account or its accuracy, okay? Or the validity. So don't bother with the open date. Round 4. You are still showing a balance. Because this was written off, there should be no balance. This is now a violation. Delete this account. Just because an account is written off, it does not mean that there should be a 0 balance. If you didn't pay it, there should be a balance, okay? So what a write-off means is that you did not pay, you robbed them, and they had to claim it as no income, right? And then now they can actually sell it for, whatever the heck they want to whoever the heck they want to, and then they can actually collect it for 100%, okay? So please get the facts right before you dispute. Round 5. You have this account listed as a collection, but it's a charge-off, and because of this, it needs to be removed. So once again, we're using the wrong dispute reasons, and we're disputing the wrong things. Nobody gives a crap about the terms, okay? And it's not going to get your account deleted. I have never, in over 10 years, removed an account with this, okay? Moving on. Round 6, and we're just about to go to the correct way to do this, okay? So round 6, you didn't respond to any of my disputes, and this is estoppel by silence. This means if I were wrong, you would have said so. Remove. No, dude, not the way to do it, okay? So just because they didn't respond to you doesn't mean it wasn't, investigated and all that kind of stuff, so don't use it. Now, I will tell you that there is a estoppel by silence dispute letter, but it is for collections, okay? So this is the correct way to do it using the correct flow and the hierarchy. So starting with round 1, this account shows 3 different dates last active: Experian 2/2013, Equifax 5/2012, and TransUnion 5/2017. Additionally, this account has been reached prior to my first dispute. Remove this account. So we are starting literally at the way top of the hierarchy, okay, with the DOLA. Round 2. I paid this account in 2017, but it shows 3 different dates last paid from 2018. Delete for inaccuracy. So we went DOLA, DOLP. All right, so round 3. I disputed this account 2 months in a row, but date last reported, status update, shows 2013. This means you didn't even investigate this account. Remove for false reporting. Round 4. You were required to enter the I already said required, my bad. You were required to enter the notice of dispute within 30 days from the date I disputed this account. However, this account is not marked as in dispute. This is a violation of section 623, and it must be deleted. Now, if you're disputing a collection, it's going to be FDCPA 806B. The FCRA is section 623. Okay, so moving on, we have round 5. Payment history reflects different dates that are reported between all 3 bureaus. All right, and it's actually 4 different dates. May 2017 through August. How can I be late and on time simultaneously? Remove this account immediately. Lastly, round 6. This account was re-aged once again to 2019 simply because I disputed this account. Not only is this a violation, but you also failed to enter the notice of dispute, correct the payment history, and update the date last reported. If this account is not removed immediately, I will have no choice but to seek legal assistance. All right, guys, so I hope you see the difference between the two of these, the wrong way to do it, and then, of course, the right way.